Hello everyone, my name is Sherry and welcome to my channel. I have a bit of congestion and a scratchy throat, so sorry about the way that I sound. This week's speed drawing is another colored pencil piece, and it is definitely more personal than any of the other pieces I have put out on YouTube thus far. As you'll see, it is a picture of a girl and a rat. She looks a little bit sad because it kind of reflects how I'm feeling about my rats right now. I have 3 pet rats that I rescued from my local rat sanctuary, Our Little Rat Rescue in Oklahoma City. They do awesome work. My rats' names are Leia, Ray, and Jin. I really like Star Wars. I've had them since about either early summer of 2018 or late spring. I was fostering for my local rat rescue, and I was a foster failure. I ended up falling in love with these girls and keeping them. I had a few homes lined up for them within the couple of months that I had them, but for whatever reason, it just never worked out. Whoever was interested didn't seem to want to meet up or just didn't fulfill what they wanted. Anyways, I made out. I got 3 awesome pet rats out of the deal, and I've had a lot of fun with them. Anyone who's ever had rats knows that they are amazing. They're friendly, they're outgoing, they like spending time with you. They're awesome. My rats use a litter box. Whenever I let them run around my studio. And whenever it's time for them to go back into their cage, I just call out their names and they come running for me and I put them away. So they are really the ultimate of the little caged critters, in my opinion. They are so outstanding. I love them. But if you've had rats before, you know that they don't live as long as you would like them to. Their lifespan can be up to about 3 years. I've had 3 sets of rats, and I've never had them last that long. I think the longest was close to 2 years, maybe only 1.5 years. It's really sad whenever they go. And whenever I started making this piece, I was pretty upset that one of my rats, Jin, she's developed some sort of skin condition where she gets scabby, and I've tried to give her antibiotics and ointment, and she just eats off the ointment and she won't take the antibiotics. There's nothing I can do to force her. She gets really squeaky whenever I try to give her medicine, and I really don't want to get bit and to make her afraid of me. So, and in the past month, she's developed quite a large tumor. She's still out and about, walking around, eating her food, hanging out with her sisters. So she's still happy right now, but I know that my time with her is coming to a close. And I hate that. It's almost like, the first rat passes away and then the next rat's gonna pass away soon. It's kind of like that window. Now I'm kind of in the end window with my rats, and it's really not a fun place to be in. But I don't know. I'm glad that I had art on my side this time around. It's never fun to lose one of your fur babies. And I don't know, I think that making this piece really helped me to sort out my feelings about it. I'll try to put a picture in this video of my rats. You'll see that none of them are brown like the rat that I put in this picture. Not totally brown, but I didn't really want the rat in the picture to look like any of them in particular. I just kind of wanted the rat to be a representation. Anyways, I know that this video sounds kind of sad and the piece is a little bit sad, but I'm a firm believer that it is better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. I don't know where that quote's from, but it's definitely not mine. Yeah, these girls, they're amazing and they're so much fun. I hope that Jen stays happy up until the day that she passes. Until then, I'm just going to keep playing with them, cuddling them, and spoiling them with treats. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. This is the first time that I've ever spoken in a video. I figured that this is probably the best video to do it with, explain it a little bit, and it's another colored pencil piece, which I'm finding is very long and drawn out. This video was more than 7 hours whenever I first started to edit it. Everything is sped up 4,000%. And now it's 11 minutes, which I still feel is a little bit long. So I think next week it's probably going to be a simpler piece, something a little bit more interesting. I don't know, do you guys think this kind of stuff is interesting? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to make this video better, and I really hope that you enjoy it. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.